Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. In the month of February, we're still in winter, and there's been winter vacation going on. And so let's teach you how to ask people, what do you want to do during winter vacation? 寒假要做什么? What are you doing for winter vacation? All right, 这怎么说呢？
寒假爱做乜嘅？
寒假爱做乜嘅？寒假就是寒假，哇，你听讲得很酷诶，寒假要放假了，感觉寒假。All right, that's winter vacation, by the way. 爱做乜嘅? That means what are you gonna do? All right, maybe you want to go to a different country and travel around, go abroad. 要出国玩，怎么说？我想出国玩。
我想出國了。
我想出國了。
出國玩。
不是出櫃哦，要出國。
對，差很多。
出國了 ，that means
出國玩
abroad 啊，去外面玩，去別的國家玩。All right. Maybe, hey, some people learn English during this time of the period, right? 我们要给所有的学生在寒假的時候還要加強英文，給你們鼓勵。所以呢，怎麼說我想要學英文呢？
我想愛學英文。
我想愛學英文。我想愛 that means I want to. 學 is learn 學，然後英文叫做
英文。
英文 that's English.
那學學那海陸腔學
OK 比較輕聲一點點下來，往下學跟學 OK that's two different dialects for saying the word learn. Finally 坦白講，寒假睡覺最舒服，所以我的答案絕對是我要睡覺，就你講的冬眠了，你知道嗎？好想當一個那種熊，然後冬眠起來這樣。
那我先教你，睡覺叫睡母。
水母嗎？水母。
那你自己說了，我要睡覺。
哦，我愛睡母。Oh, that means I want to sleep. And that's such a good thing to do during winter vacation because it's so cold. All right, let's review these terms. What do you want to do for winter vacation? 寒假要做什麼？
寒假愛做乜嘅？
寒假愛做乜嘅？ I want to go abroad. I want to go travel around. 我想出國玩。
我想出國了。
我想出國了。I want to learn English. 我想學英文。
我想學英文。
我想學英文。And finally, I just want to sleep. 我愛睡母。All right, it's time to wake up. And thank you for tuning in to Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.